but check out this absolute weapon. The new Z. The Thai car shows are the best car shows in the world, hands down. Hello, welcome to Swaddy Car. My name is Rob and this is the Bangkok Car Show at the Bangkok Thonburi University. Now, the sign of a proper Thai car show is when the pickup trucks show in force. Man, it's hot out here. But check out this absolute weapon. Just capes in NOS bottles on the outside, on the inside. They got them in the back, they got them in the front. Just the whole thing, just absolutely incredible. It's actually a really impressive lineup of the cars. Like I said, although I prefer the old school ones, the modified ones, we've got here the Porsche 911, we've got a Lamborghini, looks like a Gallardo, Corvette, you've got GTR. What else have we got? Oh, we've got the new Z, fair lady. I know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. We've got a Toyota Supra, and then obviously all of the old school ones on this side. I prefer all these bad boys, but yeah, for the most part, I can't help but stare and be impressed with the glory. Oh, man, do you remember this one from, which one was it? It was up at Pathumthani Speedway. This thing is an absolute beast. If you've not checked out that video already, I'll link it down below for you to check it out. But yes, that's a machine gun on the bonnet. And the same goes what I was just saying about the old school cars for this beautiful BMW. It literally looks brand spanking new out of the box. It amazes me how clean they can keep some of these cars, especially here in Bangkok. See, if you're in the US or the UK, stuff like this just wouldn't fly. Having the bumper removed just so you can show off everything that's going on inside. Well, it does look pretty impressive. Well, while I was filming this car, I didn't even notice the green Lamborghini that's next to it. So I mean, I'm more impressed with this than this. People ask me like, what's special about the Thai car shows? You know how they differentiate themselves, and it's things like this. You're just not going to find stuff like this. Like many other countries in the world, they've got the money to spend here. They've got the skills to make stuff like this, and just the boldness, the brassness of driving something like that on the street and bringing it to a car show like this. You just don't find it anywhere in the world. The Thai car shows are the best car shows in the world, hands down. This Toyota Fortuner is absolutely incredible from, well, top to bottom, back to front, inside out. See the NOS bottles here in the front, immaculate engine bay. Not only that, the sound system on the inside, just the whole thing, top to bottom, is absolutely spectacular. This is impressive. I like this. I was waiting all day to see one of these Toyota Supra, the old school ones. This is exactly what I had when I was in the UK. When I was 19 years old, I had a twin turbo UK spec Supra. It was the automatic one with 4-speed gearbox, and it nearly killed me. But man, it's just so many memories. It's a monster, it's the OG. So I've never seen the Lamborghinis kind of like modified in this really flashy fashion, not here in Thailand anyway. This is normally reserved for kind of the Japanese, and perhaps it's a Japanese owner actually. They love doing this kind of stuff, but I've never seen it here. It's a bit over the top for me, but man, it's impressive to look at.
Hit my phone up, none of that pretentious life. No, don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love it is all that I need. It's all that I need.
Alright, that's going to do it for the Bangkok Car Show today. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed today's show, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.